This is LG dishwasher model LDFN 3432. Pretty straightforward in terms of how you use it. Turn the power button on, okay? You'll select your cycles, and most people will just select just a traditional cycle on this unit, and then you just hit the start button. There is a delay, so you can delay this unit to turn on by itself. You do have an extra dry option, which I highly recommend. But in terms of times, most dishwashers today are going to have extended cycle times, so that is normal. A cycle time over 2 hours is normal. What we want to make sure on any new dishwasher, especially this, you have to use rinse agent. You have to use jet dry. If you don't use the rinse agent, you won't have dry dishes with this. So that's a common problem that we see, is that we've got people that'll use this dishwasher, pull out the dishes, and they'll be wet. You have to use the rinsing agent, okay? These units are designed a lot different than some of our older dishwashers in the fact that there's no exposed heating element. So what that means is that this is going to be a safer dishwasher. We don't have to worry about things dropping down and catching fire, okay? The other thing we want to make sure we use is you need to use proper detergent, okay? So with the detergent's going to go here. We do recommend either powder or a powder cake. Liquid detergent tends to oversuds, and if it oversuds, it could cause problem with the unit, and you're not going to have favorable results. So either a granular powder or a powder cake. The other thing that you need to make sure you do is that if you find that the dishwasher isn't cleaning properly, a lot of times this filter just needs to be cleaned out. So you turn it a half a turn and pull it out. So this will capture small food particles. It'll also capture glass or any small seed item that may cause damage to the dishwasher. That'll all get caught here. So all you do is just take this over to the sink and just rinse it out, okay? And then all it does, it just slips right back in like this, okay? Get that nice and straight. Turn it in, turn a quarter turn till it locks. So left to unlock, right to lock, okay? And then in terms of loading dishes, load left to right. Okay, you can put casserole dishes or things here on the side. And then this rack is pretty straightforward. Put your glasses on top. Make sure that that closes tight. Push that, and that's it.